Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm your teacher, Miss Iqra Tabassum. Today I will tell you a story. There was a girl, her name is Sarah. Sarah रोजाना स्कूल लेट जाती थी. Teacher asked from Sarah, "Why are you late, Sarah?" Sarah said, Teacher, स्कूल तो मॉर्निंग में आना होता है और मैं मॉर्निंग में आई हूँ. टीचर सेड, सारा, मॉर्निंग में तो आना होता है पर हर काम करने का एक टाइम होता है. स्कूल आने का, स्कूल से जाने का. हम टाइम पे सोते हैं, हम टाइम पे उठते हैं, हम टाइम पे खाना खाते हैं. हर काम टाइम पे करना मुनासिब होता है. सन भी अपने टाइम पे निकलता है, चांद तारे भी अपने टाइम पे आसमान पे चमकते हैं. सारा asked from teacher, "What is time?" Teacher said, "Okay, Sarah, today I will tell you in the class about time." Sarah was very happy that today she will learn about the time. So, little angels, are you ready to learn about the time? Yes, I know. You all are very excited. Okay, little angels, tell me, what is this? This is a clock. This is a clock. This is a clock. It tells us about time. The flat surface is called face. The number 1 to 12 appears on the clock face. Okay, little angels, clock has two hands, just like us. But its one hand is short and other hand is long. Its short hand is called hour hand and the long hand is called minute hand. Dear students, a day has 24 hours. So the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. Okay, dear students, now I will tell you how to read the time. Dear students, when our hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12, this means the time is 5 o'clock. We read it as 5 o'clock. Okay, what is the time on the clock? It is 5 o'clock. Okay, dear students, now our hand is on 9 and minute hand is on 12. We read it as 9 o'clock. Now what is the time? 9 o'clock. We will write it like 9 o'clock. Now open your math countdown book. Dear angels, open the page number 85. Dear students, you can see there are some clocks on your book and one is done for you. Look at this blue clock. And now tell me, dear student, where is the hour hand? The hour hand is on 4. And where is the minute hand? It is on 12. So, dear students, tell me what is the time? The time is 4 o'clock. How we will write the time? First we will write 4, then O, and then we will write clock. What is the time? It is 4 o'clock. ओके लिटिल एंजल्स, बाकी 4 क्लॉक्स को आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे और उनका टाइम आप खुद से राइट करेंगे. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ ओपन द पेज नंबर 88. Okay, what we have to do on this page, we will draw hands according to the given time. यहाँ पे आपको टाइम दिया हुआ है, आप उसके मुताबिक इनके हैंड्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. लाइक फर्स्ट क्लॉक के हैंड्स अभी टीचर ड्रॉ करती हैं. 2 o'clock. What is the time on the clock? It is 2 o'clock. Then our hand is pointed towards 2 and minute hand is pointed towards 12. Now the hand of clocks show the time is 2 o'clock. बिल्कुल इसी तरह आपने बाकी इन तीनों क्लॉक्स पर भी हैंड्स ड्रॉ करने हैं और टीचर को होमवर्क की पिक्चर सेंड करनी है. Okay, dear students, now we will start our next topic. Our next topic is number in words. 16. Okay, dear student, what is the number on the screen? 1, 6, 16. What is the spelling of 16? S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Okay, what is this number? 1, 7, 17. What is the spelling of 17? Repeat with me, dear students. S-E-V-E-N 7 T-E-E-N. Teen, 17. What is the next number? 1, 8, 18. E-I-G-H-T. 8 E-E-N. 18. What is the next number? 1, 9, 19. N-I-N-E 9 T-E-E-N. Teen. 19. What is the next number? 2, 0, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Well done. Okay, now it's homework time. What you have to do, dear students, you will do page number 23, 24, 85 and 88 on your math book countdown, and you will send the pictures of these pages to your teacher. Okay, little angels, this is your notebook work. You will do this work on your notebook. First you will draw cloud on first page, and next page you will write number in words 16 to 20 like this. Okay, dear students, stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.